Good morning students, hope you all are safe and healthy at home. We are going to start the third chapter of your computer book, that is creating table in Microsoft Word 2013. You can say it's a updated version of the previous video. As you have seen the video, it was something voice quality was low, so I have made this video again for you so that it will be easy to understand, because the last video the quality of the video or the audio quality was not too good, so that this video is again I am making for you this. So let's see Microsoft Word and tables again. So simply go to start button and click on Microsoft Word and the screen is open. You can see Microsoft Word screen is open now. How to create tables? So there are different ways, I have already told you in the previous video, but once again we'll see here. Click on insert button, there is a table option, and you will see here there is a grid option. As you know that first option, that the first way of creating table is grid. So this is called grid. Here you can see small boxes here, that is called grid here. When you go to the right towards this grid, you can see it is number of column, and you go down it is number of rows. So how many rows and columns you want to add, you want to insert in your table, that you can select from here. Suppose number of columns are 5 and rows 4 I want to select, so I will just click here at the end of the cell. You will see a table is on the screen now. So this is the way that we can insert table from insert option. You can also increase the table size using this small square at the corner, at the left, at the bottom right corner of this table, and at the corner you see it's becoming two-headed arrow. Drag it down, you will see the size of the table will increase like that. Clear? So this is the first way of inserting table using grid. Now go to the layout tab. You want to delete this, you will check the next way of inserting table. Click layout and delete table. Table is created, so we'll see the next way of inserting table. Go to the insert tab, table option, and there you will find insert table option. Click on this, a dialog box will appear. In the dialog box you see number of columns, it is asking number of rows and columns. By default it is number of column is 5 and rows are 2. You can increase with this 2 buttons here, increase and decrease button. I want 6 or 7, whatever, I will click increase button. And I want less columns, so I'll just click the decrease button here. So suppose I want the 6 column and 5 rows, so here 2 it is already given, I can increase 3, 4, 5. okay, lastly press OK. Now see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 column I have selected there, and rows are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 4 and 5. So this is called table. Again you can increase the size at the corner like this. So this is the second way of inserting table in Microsoft Word document. Fine. To delete this table, to check the another way of inserting, before we'll remove this table from here, simply anywhere click inside the table and go to the layout tab. There is a delete option. Click delete table. Fine. This is called delete table. Now again we'll select insert option, and here we'll select the next option, the next way of inserting table, that is quick table. Go to the quick table option. It is a quick table in insert tab. Here you will select any of the table. Many templates are given here already prepared. These are the pre-designed tables. Suppose I am selecting this May. It is the calendar of this month. So this is why, because it is a form of form of row and column, a number of row and column, or it looks like a table. That's why it is looking like that. So calendar can also be an example of table. So here you can see a table of calendar. You can increase this also like that. You can write anything here. May 2020 you want to write from the keyboard, you can edit also. Anything you want to edit, you can write your name, whatever. Fine. So this is called quick table. Why it is quick? Because quickly we can add without doing anything. Simply we need to click on a pre-designed table, it will appear on the screen. That's why it is called quick table. Fine. Now to delete this again, to check the next way, the last way of inserting table, that we'll see here. First way we have to remove this. Go to the layout tab, delete option, and delete table. Table is deleted. We'll see the next way of inserting table. Go to insert again, table option, and there you will find draw table. When you click on draw table, you will find this tool here again. this pencil will appear automatically. Your cursor, your pointer will change into the pencil shape so that you can draw a table, because we are going to draw here. You are free to draw any line, any column, any row, anywhere on the in this page. Clear? So let's start the table, drawing the table. You just need to click and drag it diagonally on the screen like this. Clear? The table is created like that. The outer area is created. Now we'll start making columns. This is the column. Clear? Like that. You can make a column like that, number of column whatever you want. You can draw the columns. You can see 1 2 3 4 5 6 columns we have made, and we can make rows like that. Once again you see, and this is the row here like that. Fine. Simplest way. See, this is because this happened because it was, I have dragged the mouse diagonally, that's why this table appeared. So for this we can do undo here, undo option to go back like this. Again start. Simply you have to be careful while drawing this rows, because if you will draw it like diagonally like this, it will start making another row and column. Okay, you just need to draw straight. When you draw diagonal, it will make table like this. So we don't have to make the table, we need to draw rows and column. So you can see this row and column is created here. You can also change the pen color. It is black in color, so you can go to the pen color option, and here you can choose the red option, red color, and now you can draw it with red. You can see here red color is coming now. Fine. This is the red color. You can choose any of the color from the color palette so that it will look something attractive and decent. So see this. Clear? You can change the color, any of the color like blue, green, yellow, whatever you want. Let's make a row with blue. Clear? Like that. Fine. So this is the way that we can draw table. In the next section we will see how to convert text into column and column into text. So this was the previous video, this was the updated version of previous video, so that I have created because of its voice quality. Fine. So I think you can understand now properly. So you can see this is the table here. One single column, one single box is called here cell. It means the intersection of row and column is called cell, and this complete row and column, this complete box you see here, this is called table. It is the collection of row and column that makes the table. Clear? The vertical series, the vertical line in this table that is called column, and the horizontal lines are called rows. Fine. And the single box in this table called cell. It is also known as the intersection of row and column. Fine. So this is the way that we can create in different ways table in Microsoft Word. So the next topic we'll see in the next video. Till then, wait and keep studying. Take care. Thank you.